So, whenever I am with people and we talk about what happened in my life, they couldn't believe that I had been a cancer patient. Kasi sabi nila, hindi ka namin nakitang nagmukhang parang kulay gray yung mukha mo, nangitim. Hindi ka namin nakitang nakalbo. They didn't even notice that I was bald because each time I'm wearing a bonnet. And so before the hardest part is when I heard the result of my biopsy that I had cancer and I had to undergo chemotherapy. 6 chemotherapy sessions. It was the most frightening and the most saddest part of my life, hearing the news that I have cancer. So, natulala akong tagal, hindi ako makapaniwalang may cancer ako. But I have to accept it and face it. I have to be strong. So I did undergo lots of blood tests, lots of laboratories. At tinanong ko rin yung pamangking ko kasi 2 of my sisters died of breast cancer. My sister-in-law died of breast cancer too. And I thought I was lucky. I am free. When I reached the age of 57, hindi na ako magkaka-cancer. But it came. And I have to undergo 6 chemotherapy sessions. So I asked my pamangkin, ano naramdaman ba ng kinikemo? She said, Tita Days, napakahirap. Para kang sinagasaan ng 3 truck. Sabi ko, oo, sabi ko. But nakikita ko kasi mga anak ko eh. Sabi ko, kailangan lakasan ko yung loob ko. Kailangan ko mabuhay. Kailangan pa ako ng mga anak ko. So, I had my first chemo session. And I couldn't explain. I couldn't describe the feeling, the pain. Totoo nga. Para kang sinagasaan ng 3 truck. My chemo sessions started at